This vehicle's windshield wiper washer system is designed to enhance the driver's visibility, especially during inclement weather. The wiper washer system is controlled with the stalk on the right side of the steering column. To use the washer function, pull the stalk back toward you. The washers will squirt cleaning fluid on the windshield, and the wipers will sweep until you release the lever. Raising the stalk to the mist position will run the wipers at high speed as long as you hold it there. The first position below off is labeled INT for intermittent operation. In this position, you can adjust the timing of the intermittent interval with the large ring in the middle of the stalk. Turning it toward the minus sign reduces the frequency, and the plus sign makes for more sweeps. The next position down sets the wipers for low-speed wiper operation, and at the bottom of the range is the position for high-speed wiping when rain is falling heavily.